Hello friends, this is Akash Misra here and welcome back to my YouTube channel, that is Mechanical Engineering Make Easy. I welcome you all mechanical engineering students and we are moving with manufacturing. This is 25th lecture and today we are going to cover drilling operation. Okay, this is basic tool geometry of drilling operation. There is alternate fluids and waves, and that fluids and wave will be having same amount. Like if fluids are 4, then waves are also 4 likewise. Okay, and that will always be even number. This is one concept. Then another concept is here helix angle, that is alpha h, and from that helix angle, and this is b is nothing but half of point angle. Okay, full point angle is 2 times b, so only b is nothing but half of point angle, and from that alpha h and b we will get to know value of alpha. Okay, this alpha value is too much important while calculation. Then there is another point or another formula, that is nothing but thrust force ft, which is equal to total thrust upon 5 times sin beta. Okay, what is thrust force? Thrust force is nothing but total thrust upon 5 sin beta. I am providing you all the formulas so that according to numerical, what the data given in numerical, you will get to know that how we can get the required value. Okay, then another parameter, that is nothing but torque. Another parameter is nothing but torque. T is equal to 0.6 into fc into d. So this is one formula, and again there is one another formula, but firstly think about this formula. This is into, so 0.6 into cutting force into d, that is diameter of drill bit. This is drill bit and this is diameter of drill bit. This is cutting force, and previously we have taken into consideration the thrust force. Okay, these two are different parameters. Then there is another formula of torque, and that is equal to C into F raised to 0.75 into capital D raised to 1.5. We know D is nothing but diameter of drill bit. Then another parameter is F. F is nothing but, okay, F is nothing but our feed, and remaining is C. Okay, C is nothing but constant. C is nothing but constant, and the value of C varies for like 0.11 for aluminium, then 0.56 for mild steel, then another value is 0.07 for cast iron. Okay, the C for aluminium is 0.11, for mild steel 0.56, and for cast iron 0.07. So note down these formulas and the values of C also. Then we will move towards next parameter, that is MRR, that is material removal rate. Okay, that is too much important for all operations. That is nothing but MRR, material removal rate, which is equal to F into D into VC upon 4, feed in diameter cutting velocity upon 4 is constant. Okay, so this is nothing but MRR, which is dependent on feed. Okay, feed, how much amount mm per revolution, or what may be unit, that will be in mm per minute or mm per revolution. Then D is diameter, that is VC is cutting velocity, and this is 4, so this is MRR. Then we have some standard values of this point angle, that is nothing but 2b. That 2b will equal to 118 degree for standard case. Okay, 118 degree for standard case, then which will be greater than 118 degree for machining of hard material. If we have to machine hard material, then that angle will be greater than 118 degree, and that will be less than 118 degree for soft material. Okay, so ultimately according to our material, standard angle of 2b is equal to 118 degree, but if material is harder, then we have to use that angle which is greater than 118 degree, and if the material is softer, then we can get the we can take the value of point angle, that is 2b equal to less than 118 degree. Okay, so note down this also. Then we will move towards next parameter, that is operations we can perform on drilling machine. Operations we can perform on drilling machine. On drilling machine we can perform number of operations like drilling, then reaming. Okay, drilling is exact what I have shown you, to drill hole on any component, or that may be on sheet metal, maybe on any metal box or etc. Then what is the reaming? Reaming is nothing but there is one existing hole, but we have to finish that hole, we have to provide some finishing action on that hole. That operation is nothing but reaming. Then another is boring. Boring is nothing but again there is one hole is there, okay, and we are going to increase the diameter of this hole, that is nothing but boring operation. Then next is counter boring. Counter boring means only enlarging some limited portion. For example, we have enlarged this much amount of portion only, so this is nothing but counter boring. And the normal boring, in case of normal boring, hole will be bored and all the area will be increased, but in case of counter boring, only some part will be enlarged and other part will be remaining as it is. Then next operation is nothing but counter sinking. Okay, counter sinking means here we have provided the area likewise, but in case of counter sinking, what will happen? If this is workpiece and we have drilled one hole here, okay, then what exactly the counter sinking? We will provide one conical type shape here. This is nothing but counter sinking. Okay, and in industrial words they only say as the counter and etc., but the exact word is counter sinking. Then another operation is spot facing, means at only the portion of here maybe there is some burr or etc., so we are only just putting the tool there and taking out. This is nothing but spot facing for removing burr or etc. Then another is tapping. Tapping is nothing but internal thread generation. If we have to generate threads here, then that operation is nothing but tapping. That also we can perform on drilling machine. Then another, that is tree panning. Tree panning is nothing but, this is again special type of operation which we can perform, and that is exactly, for example, this is one workpiece and we have to drill large hole here. So firstly what we will do, we will drill one small hole here, okay, and the tool will pass likewise, and that tool will have extended portions. Okay, and because of this what will happen, this part and this part is going to cut the portion of workpiece. So ultimately this much large hole will be generated, and this operation is nothing but tree panning, means firstly drill one small hole and fix the cutting tool there, that is tree panning cutting tool, and that tree panning cutting tool will rotate and ultimately the cutting action will happen and the enlarged or large hole will be created. This is operation is nothing but tree panning. Okay, so this is all about I have designed for today's lecture. We have concluded with drilling, but again, as you know, at the last of every lecture we have bonus point for you. So what are the bonus points for today's lecture? That is nothing but cutting speed. Okay, in case of drilling, what is the formula for cutting speed? That is VC, which is equal to pi d n by 1000, and the unit is meter per minute. Okay, this D, diameter of drill bit. Okay, n is revolution per minute and 1000 is only constant. Okay, so this is the formula for cutting velocity. Then there is another formula, that is nothing but depth of cut. Okay, depth of cut will always equal to drill diameter upon 2. If drill diameter is D, then D by 2, and that will be in mm. Okay, this will be in mm. And why this is in mm? Because we have put it here 1000. That's why ultimately it will convert it into meter, and this is revolution per minute, so the unit no have any problem. And in case of depth of cut will always be capital D by 2, and that value will be in mm. Okay, then machining time. Okay, for every operation machining time is important, and that machining time is also same here also, that is L upon Fn. Same length of tool travel, that may include the approach length and overrun length. What is approach length? If this is workpiece and the tool is placed here, okay, so this is the approach length, means tool have to travel this much amount of distance to start cutting, then this is the length, and there may be requirement of some overrun because of this conical section, there may be requirement of some overrun. So grossly we have to cover this much amount of distance, and that distance we have to take here. That's why the length of tool travel is too much important. Now we will move towards next but before that you should know what is F and what is N. F is nothing but feed, that is in mm per revolution, and N is nothing but RPM, that is revolution per minute, that is nothing but speed. Okay, and what I have given you idea about, that is L, that is approach length and overrun length we have to consider, and generally that L value is equal to the L, that is nothing but this, I have denoted with small l. There may be denotation like T or etc. L plus 0.3 times D. Okay. Generally the approach length plus overrun length will come up like 0. times D, that is diameter of tool. But again this will vary according to our numerical data and etc. But if you don't have given any value, then you can take into consideration this formula and you can calculate the value of T, that is nothing but machining time. Okay, so this is all about drilling, and next lecture we will come up with milling machine. Okay, and if but before that, please like, share and subscribe my channel. If you have any suggestion, then let me know in comment box. Up till now, bye bye friends.